حقيقة ركلتان حقيقة ركلتان
And welcome to week 35 of Radio Kai.
Okay, yes, welcome to this week's edition of our Radio Card, and we all hope you had a nice summer holidays. Did you enjoy summer, the one?
Yeah.
Did you, Max?
Yep.
And we are back again for new term of new shows. We've got all of our features, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs, and you have to guess which song they are. And we got history with somebody very special here in the studio with us this week, and he's behind me. And we also got Ethan here with his cars this week. And we got Keon Jones with his famous jokes as well, the other one, the Max.
Yep.
And we also got news and sport, the news updates with Max, our cameraman, and Peter, our reporter. And we also got our interview. And this week is nobody from school, no one.
No.
No, Max?
Nope.
Instead, this week is somebody very special. And I'll give you a little clue. What's the clue, Don?
He's on Monday and Tuesday morning.
Yeah, he's on the radio Monday mornings and Tuesday mornings on our local radio station, 1FM, the other one.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off with a song for somebody who's been in hospital for a month, and we hope he's recovering well, the other one.
Yeah.
And this is for Oshan. He had a biopsy in his head, didn't he? And he had an infection, yeah, Max.
Yeah.
And we are going to play this one for Oshan. And this is Bruce Springsteen with Land of Hopes and Dreams. Hope you recover soon, Osh.
Thunder's rolling down this track. Well, you don't know where you're going now, but you know you won't be back. Well, darling, if you're weary, lay your head upon my chest. We'll take what we can carry. Yeah. Sunlight streams. Meet me
and 3 by Vintage Dean.
And that was especially for Oshan, who's in the middle of recovering in his home right now, yeah, Max?
Yep.
And we hope he gets better soon and he'll be back on this radio show very shortly. It might be today or it might be next week. You never know, no, Max?
Nope.
Hold on.
No.
Now we are moving on to our mystery song feature now for this week. What is this feature about, Don?
5 songs in 5 Get 8.
And you have to guess which songs they are from those 5 decades we pick. And we will start off number 1 with the 1960s.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
I still belong.
Song number 3 for this week.
I'm on the headline. Wanna make a
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week.
The Song Effect.
And our next song here now is gone.
King Rock and Roll.
I prefab sprout, yeah.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoy this, and there's going to be a little surprise in the history this week, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
So stay tuned after this song for that surprise.
All my lazy teenage boasts are now high-precision ghosts, and they're coming round the track to haunt me. When she looks at me and laughs, I remind her of the fact I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. Up from suede shoes, my baby blues. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. The dream helps you forget. You ain't never danced a step. You were never fleet of foot, hippie. All the pathos you can keep for the children in the street, for the vision I've had is sweeping. New broom, this room, sweep it clean. Jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Sing that boy. Hot kicking dandy. Fine figure, fine cutter, fine figure, fine, oh yeah. Long-legged candy. Fine figure, fine cutter, fine figure, fine, oh yeah. Now my rhythm ain't so hot, but it's the only friend I've got. I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. All the pretty birds have flown. Now I'm dancing on my own. I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. Up from suede shoes, my baby blues. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Now you're lonesome, cut a fine finger fine, oh yeah. Long-legged candy, fine finger fine, cut a fine finger fine, oh yeah, yeah. Hot dog, jumping fry, Albaugh cookie. Hot dog, jumping fry, Albaugh cookie. Silly boy. Hot dog, jumping fry, Albaugh cookie. Hot dog, jumping fry, Albaugh cookie. Yeah. Hot dog, jumping fry,
And hope you enjoyed that song. That song is special for me because I've been in Wales, didn't I?
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, I had infection. But anyway, if talking about that,
And me and Dawn also did a video for you as well.
yeah, and thank you for the video, all of you. Thank you.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
thank you very much. Anyway, but I'll be back now to do the history slowly, yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully I can do it. So today I'm going to Eiffel Tower in France. So it's in Paris, and I hope you enjoy it. The next is the video, and I hope you enjoy the next song, and that is Down Short by Fleur de Lis, Mr. Edwards. Edwards, enjoy.
Bellach dwi'n 20 oed, di tyfu mewn i'n rhoen, di blasu be di byw, di teimlo bach o boen. A yndw dwi dal yma, nid y cynta nac yr ola. Dwi'n cera mewn i tafs a dy just dim rhyfedd ag oedd o'n dell na fideo. Bwyda fi drwy dy lygad nydwydd, bwyda fi fod yn hen fel newydd. Fi di'r un sy'n dysgu fi, atgoffa fi wenu a dal i weiddi. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Ti yn bwyd ti a diwedd y dydd. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Sa'n neb yn dyweld di a diwedd y dydd. Gwranda paid rhoi bai ar y lle, nid y rhai ti'n cofio deitha fi. Dwi'n cofio deitha chdi, dwi'n gweld hi'n anodd coelio, ond yn haws fydd anghytuno. Ac ar ôl ystyried yr un yn sefyllfa, o lle aeth yr ysfa am gwestiynau, buan y dwi'n ansylwi, do'n am rheswm i mi boeni. Hi di'r un sy'n dysgu fi, atgoffa fi wenu a dal i weiddi. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Ti yn bwyd ti a diwedd y dydd. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Sa'n neb yn dyweld di a diwedd y dydd. Sy'n dysgu fi, atgoffa fi wenu a dal i weiddi. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Ti yn bwyd ti a diwedd y dydd. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi fydd. Sa'n neb yn dyweld di a diwedd y dydd. Bellach dwi'n
The last song was Downshift by Fleur de Lis, and welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys for the first time in the 2025-2026 season. The Golden Gate Bridge is 88 years old. Happy birthday, Golden Gate Bridge. So we're going from Bakersfield to Oakland. Starting in Bakersfield, take the Amtrak San Joaquins to Oakland. Now rewind back to 1941, and you're on the Santa Fe Valley Flyer with a combined baggage barbershop buffet library car, that's a mouthful, a Fred Harvey Company dining car, and 3 normal coaches. And on to locomotive note, keep your eyes for what the locomotive might be leading the train this time. The locos had a 4-6-2 wheel arrangement. This is more commonly called a Pacific, and yes, it's the most common wheel arrangement seen everywhere. And there are 52 built, numbers 1337, 1388. All of them were compounds. Well, they used to be compounds until some of them were rebuilt to be simple. 2 of them, 1369 and 1376, are semi-streamlined for this service, the Valley Flyer. And finally, none of them survived. They had to be cut up for scrap metal, if you know what I meant, because railroads were modernizing. Now, if I were, California would bring it back, fine by me. Now today, you're on the San Joaquins as the Valley Flyer. It had been discontinued after the Expo in 1941. Very short for the time. At Oakland, see many sights, like that Golden Gate Bridge I mentioned earlier, and remember the train that took you there, a short-lived train to the Expo, the Golden Gate Expedition. The trip will take you 6 hours and 21 minutes and cost £118, or £1.71 in 1941 money. The locus of no answer is the Santa Fe 1337 class Pacifics. Next up, we got Keon's jokes, but before that, get the Lionel Santa Fe Valley Flyer at any Lionel retailers. The set and expansion pack will set you back $2839.98 from Lionel LLC's website, but pick it up for cheap at various Lionel retailers. Or if you likely want some big motor power, get these 2 1010-2 number 3008, which will send you back $24.9999 at Lionel's website and offered cheaper at the retailers.
Hey, so thank you, Ethan,
Yeah.
for girls this week. And now here's our jokes master, Keon Jones. Hey, Keon, how are you? Are you okay today?
Yeah.
And now you got some jokes for us, haven't you, Keon? So let's get the first one.
What is a footballer's favourite drink?
Oh no.
Don't know.
Penalty.
Oh,
Where do footballers go to dance?
Don't know.
don't know.
A football.
A football.
Football. What did the left football boo say to the right football foot?
Don't know.
Between us, we should have the ball. What did the bumblebee striker said?
Don't know.
Don't know. You know?
I don't know. What
I've scored. Which insect is useless in goal?
Don't know.
Don't know.
A fumblebee. When is a football player like a grandfather clock?
Don't know.
Don't know.
When he was a striker.
Got some more jokes for us?
What part of the football pitch smells nicest?
Don't know.
Don't know.
The centre spot.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Keon, for a couple of jokes. And we'll see you next week, yeah? What do you guys say to Keon?
Thank you, Keon.
You're welcome.
Three metal boys bod o'n ddipyn o foi. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n ddigon o sioe, bob dydd mewn siwt a chwartrag y glaw. Cap stabel ac esgidi a'i glaw. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n haf ni a rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n law ni hynna rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Ma'n cerdded mewn yr un pryd, bob nos I mewn i'w gornel a'ch glid o'r byd. Ma'n cerdded mewn fel meistr i'r cylch, i'r tarw ers I brisiau i'r llew fynd yn uwch. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n haf ni a rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n law ni hynna rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. A thrwy holl drychineb a'i oes, roedd na hen yn I coes. Dim arwydd yr galar yn ei lais, dim mwys ar loes. Ar bob nos Sadwrn fawr oedd o'n gawr I ni yn gornel a'i gafar y bwyd. A'i lygau glas yn rhoi as wrth I deud ti wrth y cwmni oedd yno i'w bwyd. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n haf ni a rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n law ni hynna rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n haf ni a rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Bydd wych, bydd dda, bo'n law ni hynna rhyngthon ni, rhyngthon ni. Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised to the hamburger stand now. See, she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with her radio blasting goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till daddy takes the T-bird away. Well, the girls can't stand her cause she walks loose and drives like an ace now. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race now. A lot of guys trying to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till daddy takes the T-bird away. Well, she's making a turn and it looks like she's coming around now. And I'm a little concerned cause the town is closing on that. I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lassoed the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun. Also I harness the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled from the sea. There's no need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. Ha! I guess it's just my way of being me. You're welcome, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, kid, honestly I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at them, me, mini Maui, just taking it back. Hey! Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome. For the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's your day to say you're welcome. Cause I'm gonna need that boat. I'm sailing away, you're welcome. Cause Maui can do everything but float. You're welcome. And thank you.
You're welcome by Wayne Johnson.
And that was from the movie Moana, you know.
Yeah.
And that was for everyone who returns back to school this week. And this is their first week back for them, you know.
Yeah.
And we all hope that everyone had their first day back in school, you know.
Yeah.
And now we got our answers for the mystery song, you know.
Yeah.
So what was our 60s song?
The Nana. Albie Bradley.
And our 70s song was My Life by Billy Joel, the other one.
Yeah.
And our 80s song, go on.
Pop Music by M.
And our 90s song was Freak from Desire by Gala.
See the fire.
And our, okay, guys, and our naughty song was gone.
Dave, I take that.
And congratulations to all of you if you got all those songs correct. Now, me and Don are going to give you all the leaderboard answers for this week. And congratulations to everyone who took part on the leaderboard quiz this week. Get on.
Yeah.
Yeah, Max?
Yep.
We'll give them a massive well done to them. Whoever has gotten the leaderboard correct, they get to do it again next week. So, starting us off, we got music. Miss Sue's music, you know.
Yeah.
And she had 7 out of 15. Not bad, no, Dylan.
No.
Not bad, no, Max. No. Also, Kate Guy also got 7 out of 15, and also Cannell Inn, also got 7 out of 15, the other one. Well done to those classes, the other one.
Yeah.
And what's the next class got?
How about in?
And Carnarvon Inn got 12 out of 15. Not bad. No, go on.
Yeah.
They get better than the other classes,
Yeah.
You know. And also we got Camel Die, who has gone 13 out of 15. Congratulations to them, you know.
Yeah.
And we also got Kate's Peddler on the list, and they got 14 out of 15, you know.
Yeah.
Congratulations to them. So there's all your leagueable answers for this week, yeah, Dawn,
Yeah.
Oshan and Max. And now we are moving on to our next song now here on Radio Cab.
I Live It by Biggie.
And this is for another one for Oshan. We hope you enjoy this, Osh. And this is Gallig by Bidig.
Helo, os na rhywun adra Neu wyt ti eto di mynd allan Partio mwyn teimlo dim Helo, lle wyt ti arni Ma' na fus di bod o beidio gweld chdi Ma' dy bwmpen i di troi yn bryn A mae'r byd yn dal i droi ond ti'n symud dim Dal i o'r wadden dywelu'r ben dy hun Dweud bod dim yn gwrthod cyfadda'r gwir Ti'n chwarae gêm yn chwarae gyda nghalon ni Ond dwi dal yma'n cnocio ar dy ddrws Bora ddydd tan nos dewis a beth yng nghwsg Ond ti'n yngadal i yn y glaw Cogio bod yn fyd i gael cadw draw A dwi dal i aros yn dal yn hyn Methu cerdded fod dal yn un Trio cofio dy lun ond fedra ddim Trio cofio dy oes ond dwi'n cofio ddim Dal i ffonio'n dal yn dyn Ar y fyd sy'n drwsyn yn glan Ti'n methu helpu dy hun ac teimlo'n unig Methu ato dy hun rhagor di Ata i, dal i Ata byd Helo, sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Ma' ddeia fi ymholi eto Paid troi dy gefn sbïo arna i Helo, ti'n ffansi galw heibio Neu ydy'r dacran dal i lifo Ydw ydy ers ti fynd am Gaerdydd anghydalu A mae'r byd yn dal i droi ond ti'n symud dim Dal i o'r wadden dywelu'r ben dy hun Ond ti'n yngadal i yn y glaw Cogio bod yn fyd i gael cadw draw Dwi dal i aros yn dal yn hyn Methu cerdded fod dal yn un Trio cofio dy lun ond fedra ddim Trio cofio dy oes ond dwi'n cofio ddim Dal i ffonio'n dal yn dyn Ar y fyd sy'n drwsyn yn glan Ti'n methu helpu dy hun ac teimlo'n unig Methu ato dy hun rhagor di Ata i, dal i Ata byd Lle ti di bod? Gadir hir a ystydyn y dyn nhw Ty'r dŵr cysgod Gadir gola dy arwyn dyn nhw Ata i paid a ffoi, paid a diam Fi dal i aros yn dal yn hyn Methu cerdded fod dal yn un Trio cofio dy lun ond fedra ddim Trio cofio dy oes ond dwi'n cofio ddim Dal i ffonio'n dal yn dyn Ar y fyd sy'n drwsyn yn glan Ti'n methu helpu dy hun ac teimlo'n unig Methu ato dy hun rhagor di Ata i, dal i Ata byd, ata byd
This is stuck. What did you stuff you pieces
Pieces as a source base, similar to master canvas. So this week the source news. This one is an F1 and the next way is it's the race. It's just the flowering race. But just it's just the flowering race does. And so local college and academic goes to Hamilton, then Claire, Claire, and New Hamilton. The next one is the Louise, and so this is on the shag or LinkedIn to Louise. Arsenal was just a knockers. Everton was just Aston.
That's him on Saturday, yeah.
Yeah. Everton was just Aston. Newcastle was just Wolves. That's the key. It might be hard, it might be easy, it might be a hard one. It might be, but you don't know yet. And Aston Villa's the next thing goes to trade, so football trade, and the Alexanders to Aston Villa, the site right there. So Wolves have got the new sign, and the doctors he found a jinx. He look at the matter. No, I think it looks at another spell team. So he comes towards it. No, he's saying it there. And this one is. And now we got the mystery. We got the mystery now. So the first night, the first that was already, right? So the first one to be, and the second day is just tea on it. And I got the blues here, after and so he was this hamburgers so and we got rugby's we got rugby's and with the knockers afterwards with the iterating as it's after home and we go play Spanish home. So yeah. And the next one is the Champions League, the Spurs, which is the Spanish team. It's a Spanish team, so the Spanish go to the Stone home. To the language. Language, which is the French team, the French work at this. So it is language, it's Spanish. This was France has to travel with this. And the next it's a Green Cup and it's a red and next to all this. And it looks like it is the gel team, which is the first have to go this week. So we got which is as you said to move to just this week. So Seduction Mystery, Sigudota, the first rapid degree, the first T, so goes to circus. He was out working after long ago, long ago. And now we're working this summer right now. The next in the count cup in the round 3. So we have first listed as the zero, but that's to be the first match, so that's to be first match. Which is not quite, but a property of hosting the so, but Mikey, so, roll such as Amazon. That's the geese that was good match. But Mikey, that's a bit hard to win.
Wolfie Wolf will win.
But Mikey, so you don't know yet. We've got Liverpool, which is the San Baptist. But, guys, that might be the second week. But Mikey, you don't know yet, so we'll wait to see that. So next one is this is Reezy. So I know I played very well in Coca, Big Ten, Hull City, and I was through to the round 3, the category, Bashy, the right, I wait to see that. That's it for the start there. So just to talk about me, the teachers, to talk about the math. Before we go, the next song is You Know What I Made You. That's it. And can't you enjoy this start new?
And next one is Our Valley
And that's what
News. Our Valley News.
And that's what they said as I first was. That's why
News.
news. So.
When the night returns just like a friend, when the evening comes to set me free, when the quiet hours that wait beyond the day make peaceful sounds in me. Took a drag from my last cigarette, took a drink from a glass of old wine, closed my eyes and I could make it real and feel it one more time. Can you hear it, babe? Can you hear it, babe? From another time, from another place. Do you remember it, babe? And the radio played like a carnival tune as we lay in our bed in the other room, and we gave it away for the sake of a dream in a penny arcade. If you know what I mean. Songs we used to sing, and here's to the times we used to know. It's hard to hold them in our arms
about you.
Listening to Radio Kite, and now we've got a very special guest here today, and he's been in the radio industry for years now, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Dylan. And we'd like to introduce Kev Bach. Hello, Kev Bach. It's good to hear you.
Dwi'n dda iawn, hello. Are you alright, boys? Lovely day to be talking to you. Lovely and sunny outside.
Yeah.
And you said that I've been on the radio for many, many years. Well, believe it or not, I'm a lot older than you. I'm old enough to be your dad's. Even probably, I'm old enough to be your tide, both of you. I've been on the radio 30 years this year, believe it or not.
Wow.
That's a long, long time.
Yeah.
I'm an old man.
So our first question here for you is, how do you prepare for a live show on the radio?
I love preparing, and I think that preparing for your show is very, very important. I do it the night before. I go through some newspapers, cut a few things out, mention that on air, and try to have a story about that subject on air. That's how I do it, and I enjoy that, I really do.
Wow.
What time do you get up in the morning on your radio breakfast show?
Well, these days I'm on Morning FM on a Monday morning and on a Tuesday morning between 7 and 10.
Yeah.
The studio's in Llangefni. I live in Botford, about 2 miles, shall we say, down the road. So I get up around 6 o'clock. But I was on Champion Breakfast and Hearts Breakfast for 16 years, believe it or not. And the studios those days were based at Wrexham. So I had to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go and do the breakfast show when I was on Hearts and when I was on Champion, broadcasting from the studios in Wrexham.
Wow. Wrexham's far away from here, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Our third question here for you is, who inspired you to be working on the radio?
Well, I was brought up listening to the radio back home. My mum and dad always had Radio 2 or Radio Cymru or Radio Wales on. So the radio was always on in our house at Felinheli or Pordinorwic, as it was in those days. It's now changed to Felinheli. They are now using the Welsh name. But when I was there, growing up back in the 60s and 70s, as I said earlier on, I'm old, we were always listening to the radio in our house. It was always on. And when anybody in our family had a birthday or an anniversary, we always had a request on the radio. My mum or my dad or my gran or my granddad or my sister or even me, we used to write in those days to the DJs asking for a song. There was no mobile phones in those days. You couldn't WhatsApp, you couldn't send a text message. It was always a letter.
Wow.
Dear Mr. DJ or dear Mrs. DJ, can you please play a song for us?
Of the hoff peth am tyfu fyny yn Felinheli.
O pêl-droed fwy na dim byd arall. Dyna o'n i'n neud fwy na dim byd arall. Felinheli ar lan erfennau, lle bendigedig, a fel o'n i'n sôn yn arach, Pordinorwic oedd o, fer o'n i'n tyfu fyny, ond fydda nain yn galw fo'n Felinheli, no pryd hynny, go nain y deir reis amal, oedd neb gwael y Felinheli, a falle yn wella'n gilydd, ond neb gwael. Ond pêl-droed, o'n i yn chwarae o fora gwyn tan os. O'n i ddigon lwcus i chwarae pêl-droed i Felinheli, eisiau chwarae pêl-droed i Benllach, a fi eisiau chwarae i ail dîm Bangor blynyddoedd maith yn ôl pan oedd ifanc. Felly pêl-droed, dim y môr a dweud y gwir, ond na nifer o ffrindiau fi oedden nhw yn aelodau o'r clwb hwylio, oedden nhw yn hwylio ar y fennau, ond fel rhywun sy'n ddim yn gallu nofio'n dda iawn, doedd ddim yn apelio i mi, rhaid mi oedd yn os.
What the first song you played on the radio?
Well, I started off back in 1995 on Radio Ysbyty Gwynedd.
Wow.
And the first song I played there was a song called Ynys yr Hyd by Hogiau'r Wyddfa. And that song is in Welsh and it mentions Felinheli and the quarry in Dinorwig. So that was the song I played first on Radio Ysbyty Gwynedd many, many years ago. But when I started broadcasting on Champion 103, The first song we played there was by a group called Guacamole, and the lead singer, I think you know the lead singer, Gethin Thomas, he was the lead singer, and the song was called Plastic Fantastic.
Ah.
And it is a fantastic song as well. It's a great song. Don't ask me what the first song I played on Hearts or Capital, I don't remember, or even More FM, but those two songs I will always remember.
Wow. Ydych chi licio neud pethau sy'n allan i radio?
Sorry, dyna ta bai.
Ydych chi licio neud pethau sy'n allan o radio?
Ydw, mi ydw i. Dwi'n meddwl bod hynna'n bwysig iawn. Yn enwedig yn y dyddiau cynnar, pan o pobl ddim yn nabod i gymaint a heb weld sut oedd Cef Bach yn edrych iawn, ella bod o'n Siom pan o'n i troi fyny i lefydd, hwn dio, felly, yn beth bach yma. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod mynd allan i gyflwyno pethau, i agor pethau, yn bwysig iawn i gyflwyno'r radio. Neu wedi i gyflwyno'r radio lleol.
Well, we've heard you've been doing Good Kevney as well. How long have you been hosting Good Kevney for now?
I hosted the first one, and I think the festival, Gwyl Cefni, has now been going for about 22, 23 years.
Wow.
Something like that, I'm sure. I remember us celebrating the 20th one a few years ago, so I think it's been going about 23 years, and I think I've hosted every one, I think.
Wow.
Do you handle if something went wrong on live radio?
Well, it has happened, and it probably will happen again. That's the beauty of broadcasting live. You just got to keep cool and be very honest with the listeners. You've got to say something like this. Well, at the moment we're having a bit of technical problems. If you're hearing something you shouldn't be hearing, well, I apologise. In the meantime, let's try this song again. Will it work or not? I'm not sure. Let's press a button. 1, 2, 3. It's worked. And if it hasn't worked, you say something similar again until things do work. But I've been quite fortunate over the years. I've had good producers, and I've also had a good technical team behind me.
Like Mon FM, they went down on Monday night, didn't they?
I'm not sure, I must be honest. But things do happen.
Yeah.
You know, it's technology these days that run most things in radio stations, and these things will happen.
Now, one of the members of staff in school is asking, do you like sprouts with your Christmas dinner? Can you guess which staff member?
Yes, I can, but I can't remember her name. Many, many years ago, I spoke to somebody on the radio who I know she knows quite well, and he was only a young lad then, and I asked him if he liked sprouts, and he said, no, I don't like sprouts because they make you, and he used a word, and that I will be nice and respectful and say, sprouts cause wind. And he made the noise, a windy noise.
Yeah.
So I do know where that's come from, yes.
Ydych chi chwarae y ffyrn? Os ydych chi gael gwersi piano pan ydych chi plentyn?
Do, mi ges i wersi piano pan o'n i hogyn bach, ond mond 3 gwers ges i. Achos ddaru ddynas oedd yn rhoi y wers i mi ar ôl y trydydd wers, droi at mam, Muriel oedd yn y mam, a dweud fel hyn, Muriel, peidiwch a'i anfon eto, da chi'n gwastraffu eich pres, tydio ddim yno fo o gwbl. Felly, dyna oedd diwadd fy ngyrfa fi yn cael gwersi piano. Ges i ryw 5 gwers gitar, fedra i chwarae ryw 3 cod, ond dim y dda iawn.
Wow.
Song do you want to end the show with?
Ooh, I don't know, there's so many songs I like. Well, tell you what, I mentioned Plastic Fantastic earlier on, didn't I?
Yeah.
That's the first song I played on 103 many, many years ago. So let's go for Guacamole and Plastic Fantastic.
Okay, so we are going to finish off this week's show with Plastic Fantastic by Guacamole, and we'll see you next week for week 36 of Radio Caib. And we'd like to give a massive thank you for Kev Bach for coming on the show.
Well, thanks for the offer.
You're welcome, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Okay, so we're very sorry, Kev, but we can't find Guacamole by Plastic Fantastic for you, no?
No.
No, Don. So, da ni'n mynd I goffan yn lle... Da ni'n mynd I goffan efo gan da chi gyd chwarae Radio Ysbyty Gwynedd pam na ffwna cychwyn. A gan yna I chi ydy Yn yr Ynys Gen, hogio wydda. Sorry, Kev. Awn nhw o chi fe.
Lle rhaid I twn pencaenant, lle rhaid I ar draws y byd, a Sioned bron a hollti, a'i hwyliau'n y garpiau I gyd. Yn ôl i'r felin heli, rwy'n mynd co bach ho ho, yn morio am y mywyd, 7 mis o cael I Be sy gen ti dan dy hatchis, I thyrru mhell o'ch dod, yn ôl i'r felin heli, 7 mis o cael I O mae'r diawl o dan yr hatchis yn sawn co bach dan glo, a dyna pam rwy'n brysio 7 mis o cael I Beth wnaed I twn pencaenant, pan ddoed I adran ôl, ath lon, ath ger y nifflon, beth wnaed I ath gargo ffôn. Ond mi redach am y mywyd, 7 mis o cael I fyw yn o'r bonhelig ar ôl I werthu Twm Hughes o ben y ceunant, aeth gyda'r olifant, am nad oedd gwerthiau'r arglwydd ar lannau menau dlawd. Twm Hughes o ben y ceunant, aeth gyda'r olifant, am nad oedd gwerthiau'r arglwydd ar lannau menau dlawd, ar lannau menau dlawd.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Dach chi gadael i radio can. Radio can.
You're listening to Radio Town. Radio Town. Radio
Dach chi gadael i radio can. Radio can.
You're listening to Radio Town. Radio Town.